CentOS Stream, Rocky Linux, and Alma Linux are three popular enterprise Linux distributions that serve as alternatives to Red Hat Enterprise Linux, or RHEL for short. RHEL is a paid, subscription-based version of Linux used by many businesses and servers around the world. It's super stable and secure, but it costs money and has a commercial license. CentOS Stream, Rocky Linux, and Alma Linux are here to give you that same Red Hat-style power for free. CentOS Stream is like a preview version of RHEL. It sits just ahead of Red Hat, showing what's coming next in future updates. It's great for developers who want to stay close to the enterprise version, but see upcoming changes early. Rocky Linux and Alma Linux are designed to be one-to-one compatible with RHEL, meaning they behave exactly the same, but without the subscription fees. These two are great for servers, cloud environments, or anyone who wants RHEL stability without paying for it. All three are enterprise-level Linux systems built for reliability, security, and long-term support. Perfect for developers, sysadmins, or anyone running serious workloads. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.